So hey there and good day guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I will help you and show you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. So of course, we need both websites. It's the Alibaba.com and the Shopee.com. So we'll go step by step, and the first thing we need to do is to go to Alibaba.com. If you're starting a dropshipping business, the best option is the Alibaba. So this is one of the largest online marketplaces. And if you scroll down a bit, guys, you will see just like this. And then right here, guys, after that one, you will also see here the categories offered on this website. Here, guys, you can see here. And then just click on this one, and then you will see how many or plenty the categories are. And then right after this one, to start dropshipping, you will need to create an account. Just click on the sign up to register. Here, guys, after you sign up, guys, okay, let's just click this one. And then right after that one, guys, is you will be directed to the form of personal details, where you can see here the country region. So you can see here, guys, and then you can also select a trade role. For example, the buyer, the seller, and then after that one is you can also see here the email, the login password, the confirm password, the company name, the full name, and then you can also see here to please slide to verify, and then mark check if you agree to this term, and then just click this orange button, guys, after you finish. And now after you've created your account, as you can see, we are now on the Alibaba platform, and this will take you to the shopping page. And then as you can see here, guys, you should see the products options here, and just click on it. And then if you scroll down, you should see various types of products, and then you just need to click on the product you want to purchase. And after you click it, you will be taken to a page containing its information. For example is this 13 one, and if you click on it, you will be redirected to the another page. Now on this page, you should see the different variations it offers, and also different details about the products, such as its price, shipping information, and the payment options. You can also start an order request here or contact the supplier. And then at the bottom part, guys, is you should see the product's attributes or the other attributes. And then, most importantly, is its rating and reviews. As you can see it, guys. And right after that one, guys, is let's go to the Shopee.com to complete this tutorial. So this is the other platform, the Shopee, which allows users to sell products and services online. So it caters to diverse needs by offering categories such as electronics, fashion, beauty, health, home, and living, and automotive products. Whether you're looking for smartphones, skincare products, or furniture, Shopee's broad product range ensures you can find what you need. So as you can see here, guys, we just need to go ahead and sign up for the Shopee Marketplace. We'll go ahead and create an account for the Shopee Marketplace. So you can see here, guys, be a power seller. And then as you can see, you can also choose to sign up using a Facebook or the Google. And by signing up, you agree to Shopee's term of service and privacy settings. And if you already have an account, just simply click on login. Okay, like this one. And then after you sign up or log in, okay, just hold on. So guys, after you log in, you will see that they immediately ask for information. And just a disclaimer, guys, only those with an Apple store like Lego stores with tax registration can register, because they make sure that the seller has a proper compliance to avoid scams. So in my case, guys, since I don't have a store, let's just assume I do have. So we can proceed with this tutorial. And then after that one, guys, assuming, guys, that I am done with this part, and this will take you to the next step. So now, guys, you can now proceed to adding your first product if you're just starting out here. And then as you can see here, guys, there will be actually 4 steps in adding a new product. Okay, but the first thing, guys, is you just need to click the add product. Then the first step is the basic information, the sales information, the shipping, and the others. Okay, guys, for the basic information, guys, is the first thing you need to do is to add the product image or the product video. Then you can add the product name, the category, and the description. So to fill in these details, guys, is we need to go ahead and click on the Alibaba item that we want to dropship. What we need to do is to save the images or take a screenshot, and then we will go back to the Shopee marketplace and upload the saved images. Afterward, you need to go ahead and use the same name as on Alibaba for the product name. And then you can use the copy and paste and rename it to your liking. As for the category, you just have to choose the one that applies. For example, you can search for a very specific category that matches the item. And now for the description, guys, is you should also be able to see the description on the Alibaba page. You can use the key attributes from there or just copy and paste them into your Shopee store. And the next step, guys, is the sales information, where you will add here the attributes, specification, or country of origin. So you just need to browse through the information on the Alibaba website so to find all the details needed in the Shopee Seller Center. So it's just mostly copying and pasting the information from Alibaba to Shopee. So on Alibaba, guys, you'll find the attributes, customization, ratings, and reviews. So just like that, guys, if you need to add a brand and there is no brand, you can select no brand. Then move on to other details like the country of origin, and so on. Now for the shipping section, you will just go ahead and add the weight, the parcel size, and the shipping fee. You should be able to find this information on Alibaba. And then for the other section, this is an important part since we are dropshipping. For the pre-order section, you just need to click yes and then specify how many days you need to ship the product. So this is very important, guys, because what you'll be doing is waiting for an order, and once you receive an order, you will manually start the order request on Alibaba. And for the last step, guys, is you need to go back to the Alibaba platform, and it's up to you if you want to start the order request or contact the supplier. So here, guys, you can send an inquiry to clarify what needs to be done, or simply go ahead and start the order request. Once you receive an order in your Shopee Seller Center, you will need to specify the items they ordered along with their shipping address. And here, guys, just fill in all the necessary information required here. And that's basically how you dropship from Alibaba to Shopee.